Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
What's up? I was just on my phone checking how many steps I took today.
How many steps did you take today?
I have no idea. You interrupted
I've
me.
taken like 5 steps today.
Yeah.
Super tired and super bloated from yesterday's dinner. Welcome to the second episode of the Joanne and Neman Show.
Joanne and Neman Show.
Joanne and Neman
Welcome.
Show. Yes.
Today,
What are we doing today? In case you can't tell from our overtly coordinated outfits today.
we planned it this time, okay?
Yes, we absolutely planned it this time.
We gonna do some fitness.
Yeah, so the topic of today's show is health and fitness, right?
What does the health and fitness mean to you?
Yes. Health and fitness is, you know what? This is actually a topic that's very important to me, but health and fitness are two different things. Fitness, I always associate with your physical health, right? Are you doing well physically? Are you ill physically? Are you getting physical activity to promote your body's mobility and agility? And then health, I think of more as a broad term to encompass, of course, not just your physical health and fitness, but your mental health and well-being. So all of that sort of goes into my definition of health.
Cool. Why do you exercise? So you exercise, right? You run.
I exercise because I want to live as long as possible.
That's amazing. I want to live 125. I literally set up that goal for myself. Like, and if I die any sooner,
I don't want to
I'm
live
seriously gonna hunt some people. Okay? So
I don't want to be 135.
why not?
Because I don't want to. That's like really
I'm gonna look like this. That's
Okay.
like and feel like this, and that is why I exercise.
I exercise because I want to live long and healthy, and also I have arthritis, which I'm very young to have it, but working out really helps with my arthritis. It makes my joints a lot less stiff.
Okay, we disagree on one topic. I also exercise to lose weight.
Oh. Okay.
And I lift to lose weight.
Yeah.
You think that lifting does not
No,
help?
that's not what I said. You're totally.
Let's argue.
No, I think any form of exercise is good to promote physical fitness, whether that's to lose weight, maintain your weight, and in some cases to gain weight, like lean muscle mass. But I think that more important than your physical activity is how you feed your body. I think your nutrition is 80% of physical fitness, and that physical activity, whatever you choose to do, whether it's lifting weights, cardio, walking, dancing, that plays a much more minimal role than I think some people realize. This is borne out by the science.
Let's go exercise.
Yeah, we're gonna go exercise together. Join us as we pump some iron.
Anyway, it's so pretty over here.
It is.
I like it.
A really good park. I
Let's
like this
do
park.
it.
Let's do it. Okay, we've got our weights.
Okay, we got the yoga mats.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
So, we are absolutely ready, but before we start working out, I just want to tell you that it's so important for you to stretch before
Why
workout.
is it so important?
It's so important because you want to increase your flexibility, you want to increase the motion, you want to improve your performance, and you also want to avoid the injuries,
Oh,
okay?
that's for
So
sure.
safety first. We're going to start with your left leg. You're going to bring it all up to your chest like this. Okay, and then you're gonna try to pull it. That's great, but your left arm are gonna go all the way over there. Now you're gonna try to pull that left leg completely in front of you like this, and then you're gonna go all the way around. Okay, and you can put it back and bring it to your right leg. We're gonna do absolutely same thing with our different leg, okay? So we're gonna bring it up all the way on top. We're gonna go on this side and completely right, and then go that way and all the way up, right? And bring it back to your left leg. Did you feel that? And we're gonna pretend like we are two cats. Okay, can you be a cat for a moment?
Yeah.
Exactly, all the way down. One more time. Wow. Perfect. Now, since we are already in this position, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with our right hand and bring it to our right here. Amazing. Now we're gonna do the same thing with our arm and go all the way up. Perfect. Breathe. Wonderful.
I'm done. Can we go home now?
No, now it's a time to lift weight and that it's your expertise.
Okay. First, we're just gonna start with one weight. Do a bicep curl into an Arnold press. Bring it back down, and then do a backwards lunge. And then come back up. So, do 10 on each side. 1, 2. 1, 2. I like this move because it targets your hips, your hip flexor, as well as a little bit of your shoulder.
I think I overestimated myself and I should not take 20s. Damn you 20s!
All right, let's do that on the other side. Do you want my 10 pounds?
All of it, no, because I don't want my one arm to be stronger than another one.
Sometimes I like to put my arm out like this. 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay.
Goodness.
And then you grab your other weight.
Oh no.
You want your feet about shoulder width apart.
Okay.
And then as you go down, do bicep curl, okay? 1.
Oh my God.
10.
Oh. Are we over?
Yes. Okay. That's basically mine, and then maybe finish off with some planks.
What do you mean by planks?
So you can do this kind of plank, or you could do this where you're moving.
Okay, let's moving, so there's
Okay.
motion. Okay, are we over?
No.
I'm losing it.
Okay. Let's. All right, now we're gonna do our cardio. We're gonna do a lap around the park, nice and easy. You wanna keep a conversational pace, which means you wanna go at a pace that allows you to hold a conversation, a breathy conversation, but if you're not going slow enough to be able to talk to your partner while you're running, you are going too fast. Okay?
Makes sense. Ready, steady, go!
You know, yesterday I saw an Instagram post for chickpea sushi, which I was like, there's no seafood or raw things in this entire dish.
So it does make it known sushi?
It's not sushi.
Oh, okay.
All right, that wraps up our inaugural episode of Fitness with Neman and Joanne.
We still got to eat, don't we?
Yes, now we're gonna go back to the kitchen to make and eat a post-workout meal.
Woo! Let's go!
Hey guys, so we are back from our really tough workout at the
First
park.
things first, how do you feel?
I feel great, but I'm also very hungry.
Same.
So we're going to put together a high protein, really healthy, nutritious, and very simple post-workout meal together. And I'm going to be using a burrito. I love burritos. I think those are such a easy way to pack in a lot of nutrients in one bite, essentially. I had some leftovers from the kimbap, which is almost like a Korean style burrito that I made yesterday. So I'm gonna utilize that. And I just had a can of black beans that I just washed and rinsed, and that's what we're gonna use for our main protein source. So we've got our burrito wrapper, which I stuck in the microwave for like a minute just to get it nice and warm and also really pliable. I mean, you want it to be pretty bendy.
Have you ever eaten hummus off the spoon?
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. I was like, am I the only one who does
One
that?
serving of hummus has 2 grams of protein. Now we're gonna add a bunch of black beans. I'm just using cooked black beans here. I've got here just some boiled spinach. Spinach also has protein in it. I don't know if you guys know this, in addition to all sorts of cancer-fighting, cancer-preventing antioxidants and nutrients. So we're gonna add some boiled spinach, and then we're gonna add some shredded
It
carrots.
says it's organic hummus, I'm sorry.
It's okay, there you go.
So there's nothing processed in it. Okay,
No, I don't think that's how you
there's
define
no
process.
flour. There's no flour.
There's no flour.
It's vegan.
But there's flour in this.
Oh, okay, so it's not gluten-free wrap?
No, I don't know
I
how
can
to
show
do
you
that.
some really cool gluten-free
And then I'm
wraps.
gonna add some pickled burdock root. If you can't find pickled burdock root, just add your favorite pickled vegetables. I have just some strips of Just Egg here. I think that's pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna add some more spinach because I want it to be.
We love green. Okay.
Add a lot
Are
of
you putting any
green.
rice in it or no?
So yeah, why don't we add just a little bit of rice to account for the carbs. You're gonna get some healthy carbs from the burrito wrap too, so we can add just a little bit. If I had leftover, I would use brown rice. We're gonna fold in first through the sides like that. And then while holding that down, we're gonna very gently pull the top up and over. Okay, and I'm gonna use my pinkies to pinch these in a little bit. And then we're gonna gently fold. So we've folded it perfectly, and now we're gonna stick this on the pan. No oil, just heat to seal this flap over
Where
here.
do we have a pan?
Just like that. Hold it like this until it seals and gets a little bit brown on all sides. And then we'll cut it open and we will enjoy our high protein, high nutrient post-workout burrito. All right, let's cut it open. We're gonna share it. Okay.
Amazing.
Okay, there we go. There's mine, here's yours.
Wonderful. Look
at that.
this. Ooh.
Okay.
Perfect. It's too hot for me. I'm just gonna wait for a second. But thank you so much, guys, for gonna work out
No, we
with us today.
have to bite into it. Are you kidding me? Ow.
It's too hot.
Thanks so much, everyone, for joining us on our second episode of the Joanne and Neman show. Hopefully you had fun.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button. Comment below with what you want me and Neman to do next. If there's something you want us to cook next, where you want us to go for our next field trip.
Yeah, I love us going somewhere. So where should we go next?
Where should we go next, okay? But make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on future episodes of the Joanne and Neman show. Okay.
Woo, woo. Bye. Love you.